y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I got my boo, Making Beauty, short for Jamaican, but yeah, on Instagram. She's a bomb makeup artist, and she came to New York, so we linked up and I did her makeup and I had so much fun. But yeah, I'm sorry y'all, I just jumped into the video. But yeah, so I did her eyebrows and her one eye off camera because my sis had a flight to catch and I was trying to work as fast as possible. I really be taking my sweet time and I just be chatting and vibing. So I was like, let me just do one of the eyes off camera so I can save time, because we only had like a couple of hours together. So yeah, for this look we're using the Jam Rock, I think it's the Extreme palette, but everything that I use will be listed down below. Because her hair was purple, like I was like, ooh, I want to do a purple and silver glitter cut crease because that's the vibes I felt from her hair. And also I know I'm gonna start a prom series on my channel, so I think this is a perfect look for prom. It's so prom and it's really simple, you guys. So yeah, all I'm doing is going in with that first purple shade, which is a beautiful shade of purple, and I'm just using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. This is a Sigma E40. I'm just tapping that in. Then I'm gonna go into another palette from the same brand, and I'm gonna use a baby pink shade. Just a sidebar, these eyeshadow palettes are black owned. It's a small business, so yeah, make sure you guys support Playing and Makeup by Yolando. All of the information will be listed down below, and no, this is not sponsored, sis. I genuinely like these palettes and I use them on my clients all the time. So yeah, to apply this pink eyeshadow, I'm using Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just gonna tap that color on top of the purple color. So now I'm going back in with the purple shade just to add a little bit more because we lost some, and I want to bring the purple up a little bit higher. So you guys, I do have a new filming area. It's not done, like this is not even going to be like the final space, but I completely moved my space into another area in my house. So tell me what you think. I think the quality looks a lot better where I'm at, but I still want to improve it. But yeah, let me know what you think and give me any suggestions down below. But all I'm doing is going back and forth with the purple and the pink eyeshadows, just blending those two together so that is a nice smooth transition between the light and the dark. I'm going back into that eyeshadow palette and I'm using that deep purple in the palette, and I'm gonna go in with a flat packing brush, and that's what I'm going to use in the crease. I think this is a Morphe brush as well. I want to say it's the Morphe 433 brush. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I always use the same 3 brushes for an eyeshadow look. So yeah, I'm just packing that color on underneath that purple that was a little bit lighter. I just wanted to deepen it up a little bit so that when I cut the crease, it looks like really defined in the crease area. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna go back in with the lighter purple to blend everything together and that you see all the colors. So this is what it's looking like so far, and I'm just gonna go back in with that pink eyeshadow just to make sure it's, you know, it's prominent and that we're gonna see it after we cut the crease. All right, now I'm going in to cut the crease. I'm using my Inglot Gel Base number 95 or 94, but it's a silver. It's just a silver gel liner. Everybody always asks me about this brush, you guys. This is a 99-cent brush from the beauty supply store. I got a bunch of them last year. It's literally no name. And I used my technique where I make my cut crease, where I just make concealer brushes flat. It's a technique that I use, so I'll list the video down below. It's not even about the brush that you have. It's all about making your brush flat. so that your brush works for you. So I'll be sure to link the video down below on how I get all of my brushes that I use for cut creases super flat. So yeah, all I'm doing is carefully applying this gel liner to her lid, making sure I'm being nice and precise because I want this cut crease to be nice and sharp, okay? So yeah, we was vibing. So I did not know. So we've been following each other for like a little minute, and I did not know she was a Scorpio. Like, so we're both Scorpios. Our birthdays are a week apart. So yeah, we was just really vibing and chatting. Even I chat with everybody though. Like, I love talking to people, but yeah. All I'm doing is just wiping off the extra product so that it's not like too thick and too heavy. Just tapping off the extra. I'm taking my broken nail. Shout out to my broken nail. I'm taking my glitter from Glow Up Academy, which is my brand. Support black owned businesses, boo. But anyway, I'm taking my super fine glitter in the shade Disco, and I'm just using my finger to tap that directly onto the gel liner, so I didn't add any glue. Now I am going in with glue, and I'm using the clear duo lash glue, and I'm going to apply that onto her eyelid. I'm going to tap it around, and then I'm going to go in with my chunky silver holographic glitter. This is in Sugar Honey Iced Tea. So instead of holy, it's hollow. Anyway, chunky silver glitter, and I'm going to use that same finger to tap that onto the eye. Alright, now we're going to go in with our makeup wipe and just remove all the extra glitter. You guys see how simple? I hope you guys are not like bored, because I feel like I've done this look like once or twice on my channel already. Maybe with, I know I've done like one or two silver glitter cut creases. I'm sorry, but like that's what I saw in my head when I saw her. I'm like, I want to do this, and I feel like it'll be a really good start to the Prom series, because it's like it's like simple but bold, and it's like prom. Like, it's so prom. Like, so yeah, I'm sorry if you feel like it's not like, you know, something new, but I feel like it's definitely like she's saying something, okay? She's saying something. Now I'm going into my Plain and Makeup by Yolanda white liquid liner, and I'm gonna use that on top of the black liner. I've been really, so yeah, I know I've been missing off of YouTube. I've been really, really busy with my business. It's like been consuming all of my time, which I'm not complaining, but I'm still on my white eyeliner craze, you guys. Like, I don't think I'm gonna like be over it. Like, I love white eyeliner. I think I'm like really late on it, so like I'm just like making up for lost time. That's what's happening. So yeah, I let the white eyeliner dry, and then I go back in with the black eyeliner to just get everything, you know, nice and clean and precise. So yeah, the eyes are complete. Now I'm going to go in to moisturize her face. I'm using my Bobbi Brown Enriched Cream to moisturize and prime her skin. Now I'm going in with some calamine lotion in spots of her face where she may get oily. Alright, so foundation, I'm using MAC's Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC46. I'm going to pop on her lashes while the foundation sits. So I'm using Queen U Cosmetics. They sent me a lash book. I literally forgot to show it in the video. I'm so sorry, you guys. But I'm using the Lashes Pearl. So I'll have this link down below. Once again, this is a black-owned business, baby. So, wow. See? Support black-owned businesses, not just for Black History Month, but all the time, period, okay? So yeah, I sprayed her face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and we're going to buff out this foundation using the Real Techniques the Real Technique Insta Pop foundation brush. My arm ashy. Anyway, y'all, I was like, to be honest, like I never get nervous like doing other people's makeup. Like I don't care if they a makeup artist, if they a content creator, like I never care. Well, no, I'm not gonna say I never care. I get nervous in certain situations if I'm uncomfortable in the setting that I'm in. I'll get like nervous, but I was nervous like doing her makeup because like she does her makeup so well. It's to the point where it's just like nobody else is gonna beat her face how she beats her face. You know what I'm saying? So I was just like nervous. But yeah, I just want to put that in there. That I actually got nervous doing her makeup. Like, I'm like, what if I mess up her face? She gonna be talking about me. But yeah, now I'm going in with concealer. Child, I don't even know what I'm using because I just got these. This is the new e.l.f. The hydrating concealers, but I don't know what shade. I'll have a list down below. Like I said, I filmed this video a week prior, so it's been a week since I filmed the video and I'm just now doing the voiceover for it. So yeah, I'll have to look at my products to see what I used on her. But yeah, that's the concealer that we're using on her, and we're gonna go on her forehead, nose, chin, and underneath her cheek area. To contour, I'm using, I don't know what I'm using. I'm using whatchamacallit, Toffee. I'm using Born This Way concealer, which I should not have used on her. I was being, you know what it was? Like I was trying to like move fast, so I was just grabbing like what I saw first. I should not have used that on her though. It was a little bit too dark, but we still blended it out. But y'all, like I tried it. I tried it for real. But yeah, guys, comment down below what looks you want to see for the prom series. I won't be able to post as many videos as I was posting last month, which is why I was posting so much last month, because I knew that, you know, with prom season coming up, I just get a little busier, so I'm not able to like film content as much. So let me know what looks you guys want to see, what color combinations you guys want to see. I already have an idea of the things that I'm looks that I want to post, but you know, I love when you guys give me your input. So yeah, in the comment down below, let me know what prom looks, you know, you want to see. Like, do you want to see matte look, shimmer, glitter? I feel like prom season is the most prom season is that time of the year where I use glitter the most, like the most. So yeah, I'm just blending everything out, you guys. Like nothing special. I did not want to get like makeup up in her lace area. Child, people. I did not want to get makeup up there, so I was like moving real cautious up there because no, like she literally just got her hair done, so yeah, I was not trying to mess my good sis up. So now I'm going in with my sponge. This is a Shop Miss A sponge. I do alternate between sponges and brushes for the under eye. And now we're gonna go in to set her under eye. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup light. She has a light buttercup powder. I'm using that, and I mixed it with the Ben Nye banana powder as well. All right, now I'm going in to contour her cheeks. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, like I don't know what I used to contour her cheeks. I'm gonna assume that I used the Plain and Makeup by Yolanda contour palette because I've been using that ever since I got it. Yeah, that's what's in my hand actually. So yeah, that's what I used. Now I'm just gonna take whatever powder is left and chisel out her cheek area because we want to be snatched. And I'm just doing a light contour on her nose using a small eyeshadow brush. All right, now it's time to get rid of all of that powder. So what I'm going to do is press that powder into her skin. Now to get rid of that powdery look, I'm going to go in and spray her down. Spray her down with that Morphe continuous spray. Because we don't want to look powdery out here. All right, now going into blush. I believe I used, I don't even know. I used the Juvia's Place. I'm a mess. I'm such a mess. I used the Juvia's Place blush palette, and I just mixed like that orange and pink shade together on her cheeks. Now I'm going back in. For this part, I'm using the NYX eyeliner because the whatchamacallit, the brush is slimmer, so it just makes it easier to go underneath the wing liner on that part. But yeah, now we're moving on to the lips. Lined her lips, girl, with the foundation, a stick foundation, because I don't know where my lip liners are. Like I said, I moved my area, different floors. So I moved from upstairs to downstairs, moved from the 3rd floor to the 1st floor. So yeah. And when I filmed this, I had just did it the day or two before. So yeah, let me tell you. So the gloss that I'm using is actually I was supposed to give her this gloss, but I forgot. Anyway, yeah, it's you guys, I'm finally coming out. I know I've been saying since last year that I'm coming out with glosses, but like, no, for real. They're like in production, and I'm meant to give her one because I have samples, and I'm meant to give her that so she can have it. But anyway, yeah. Now I'm going in to highlight her skin. I'm actually using a highlight from Milk. So I'll have it down below because I don't know the name of it, but it's a highlighter they sent me a little while ago. It's a pressed highlighter, but it's really pretty. So since it's prom, we finna highlight. You know the girls like to be real highlighted for prom, okay? So we're really gonna highlight. She's looking so pretty. Her face is so cute. Like, I just think she's like freaking adorable, and want to kidnap her like once a month to do her makeup. Yes, you better get face with me in the background with my Christmas with my Christmas pajamas and scarf on, looking rough. But yeah, now I'm just adding some brow gel. This is the Anastasia clear brow gel. Ooh, she looks like just so cute. Oh my god. All right, now we spraying her down, child. It's a habit to like really spray my clients down, but she wasn't going nowhere but on a plane, so she can go home. But yeah, and I use my Midnight Final Seal spray, and this is a completed look. Oh my god, I can't believe I finally got to do her makeup, you guys. And she's the first face of my prom series. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This tutorial was like a really simple. I hope that you guys didn't feel like it was like all over the place, but yeah, I felt like everything was, you know, self-explanatory and really easy to follow. So yeah, let me know what you think about the new space, if you see a difference in quality or whatever the case may be. And don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I love you guys so much. Bye.